Good morning, guys. Yeah, I look really strange because I've half my makeup on. I am heading into a meeting with my management right now. We're supposed to do it on Wednesday. Wednesday was a horrible day, like so wet, so rainy, stormy, so we decided to postpone it to today. So I am currently getting ready because I need to rush off right now. I need to put lip products on, obviously, and I got half a cup of coffee drank, so I'm gonna try and get a cup of coffee on my route. And yeah, I think that's basically all I need to fill you in on right now. And also, guys, like, if I haven't mentioned, it's Vlogmas Day 1! Oh my god, I'm so excited. A little bit too excited this morning. I was like, oh my god, today is the first day of Vlogmas. I'm actually super pumped to start Vlogmas this year, and I hope you guys are too. So let's kickstart Vlogmas and keep it on a high for the whole month, because it's going to be a month of fun. I can just feel it in my bones. So I hope you guys are excited for this journey of Vlogmas with me. I hope you'll join me every single day for the next 24, 25 days. We'll see how we get on, but every day I'm uploading in December, and I did this last year, had a ball, doing it again this year. So guys, I'm gonna get dressed, get ready, go into town, meet my management, and we'll kickstart this Vlogmas. Yay! Okay, I'm ready. Out the door we go. It's bloody Baltic this morning. Like really cold and dark, and I look blue. So first day of Vlogmas, guys. It's gonna be exciting. I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to this Vlogmas, and I'm gonna be putting up my Christmas decorations tomorrow. So I'm in town now, and I got myself a Starbucks, and I tried to get the eggnog latte, and the guy was like, we don't have them anymore, change it for like a creme brulee latte or something like that. But I don't know, I heard from loads of people that you can get them still, but obviously not in the Starbucks I went into. So I'm going to meet Dave at house, so I'm walking up Grafton Street. Yeah, because I'm walking up to house, and then I'm going to meet him at 11, and then we're gonna have like our meeting. We're gonna discuss everything. So that's basically where I'm at right now. It's actually really like nice today. It's kind of mild out as well. I was gonna do some shopping, but now I'm just kind of like, let's just go online. I hate shopping at this time of the year, like, unless it's you've kind of got all your Christmas shopping done. But it's just, I don't know, I never know what to get people, and then I impulse purchase, and then I buy things that I don't need and buy things that people don't want. So I'm just gonna online shop and make my list. And yeah, me and mum and dad and Ollie are coming in to town, I think the week after next as well, so I'll probably get most of the stuff done then. Trying to get as much of town in as I possibly can, because I know the last time I was in here everyone was like, why don't you vlog more? We want to see what town looks like, want to see what like Dublin looks like. And yeah, I should really show you guys more, but I just think because I've seen it like a bazillion times that I don't realise that you guys actually might find it interesting. So I'm going to try and do a little bit of that today, as much as I can, because see, I don't know what's interesting, but I guess like you guys will know what you want to see, and you can like tell me down the line, because then at least I can include like bits of town. I might go through St. Stephen's Green, because I'm going to go over like through the park, because I'm going to go over to Zara, so I'll cut through the park and I'll bring you through that on the way back. Hi guys, so my meeting went fantastically well. I can't wait to kind of fill you guys in on everything. So I'll probably have like a proper chat with you when I am home, but I'm just very enthused and I can't wait to kind of change things up for like the new year. And even like in this month I'm gonna start like doing different things, but it's gonna be exciting. So I will make a video kind of addressing everything from this meeting and like everything that I'm gonna be changing and doing for the month of December and like onwards. And I'm gonna put it up on my main channel so you guys can check it out and see what exciting things are coming up. But I'm just super happy right now and I'm so glad I met Dave. He's just wonderful. I'm super lucky to have a great manager and somebody who I consider like a friend and just helps me in every aspect, because you know, you do need that when you're trying to like figure out your direction in life, I guess, and in your job. So guys, I am home. I just put on the kettle because I'm going to make myself a hot water bottle and a cup of tea, in that order. I am so happy with the way my meeting went today. I can kind of fill you in a little bit more now that I'm like sitting down and I'm home and everything. So basically, as you guys know, Vlogmas is upon us. And what Dave would recommend for me to do, and what I think is the best practice going forward, is to phase out Dramaticmac vlogs. But I'm still gonna have that channel, but what I'm gonna end up doing is moving the content that was on this channel, so this vlog channel, over to my main channel. I know this is so messy and you guys who are watching are kind of like, what the hell is happening, like what are you going to be doing? But I think I'm going to like have weekly vlogs over on that channel, or kind of vlog whenever I feel like something would be fun and something to be interesting, and have it on that channel. I'm after getting like soot all over my jumper as well because I just put on a log on the fire. The fire was still like going, because obviously I wasn't out for that long, but it was still going from like, what time did I leave here? 9 this morning, 10. But anyway, we're going to phase everything out and we're going to move the content that you would see on this channel over to my main channel. So like hauls and vlogs and all those kind of things, and they're going over to my main channel because that's obviously where my majority of my audience is, and people don't even know I have a vlog channel unless they see it on my main channel. So what is the actual point? The whole thing was, I set up this vlog channel back when I was doing beauty 3 times a week, and it just seemed like it didn't fit my channel at the time to have vlogs on this. So it's not a complete loss having the vlog channel, it's just a different channel. Like it could be something else down the line, like who knows. The vlog channel is not going to be something that I'm giving away or anything like that. I'm gonna always have it so I can like have different content on it like in the future. So my main channel is obviously going to be where the vlogs are going to be at, hauls, etc., nutrition videos, beauty, everything is going on my main channel. So you could be getting 3 videos a week, you could be getting 5. So it's all going to depend on, you know, what content I have for that week. But I think myself and Dave chatted and this is what's best. Now with regards to Vlogmas, what I'm gonna do is, and I took all this from you guys' feedback as well, so this is not a decision I made or Dave made, this is a decision that the majority of people were kind of saying, like, why don't you just have one channel and kind of like upload everything to that. So that is what I am at. that and what I'm going to be doing. So the next thing is Vlogmas. Now Vlogmas is obviously something that I had already said that I was going to do, so I'm going to continue doing that. I don't want to be forcing content and trying to make Vlogmas interesting for you guys if, you know, the whole month of December it's not interesting, or if I feel like, you know, I didn't vlog too much in one particular day and I want to stay at home and, you know, just chill with my family or chill with my friends, and I don't really want to be vlogging, I want to have that kind of freedom to do that, because that is the way that my job is. It's just that kind of type of job. Vlogmas is still going to be happening, but it might happen like you might get a whole vlog of one day in a particular day, or it might be 3 vlogs in one, or it might be a week of vlogs in one. I will, you know, do that as I see kind of fit. So Vlogmas is going to be participating, I'm going to be participating in Vlogmas over on my main channel, and basically we're going to see, you know, how we get on, like if it's working, if Vlogmas worked well on my main channel and vlogs are working well on my main channel, then we're going to continue doing that, and if not, then we'll refer to something different. So I'm just going to work with this plan at the moment and see how we get on. And I have so many beauty videos that I planned and was bringing forward to Dave, and like nutrition videos and stuff, and I'm really excited, guys. I really am. For the first time in ages, I actually feel really excited, really motivated, really happy and content about the direction that I'm bringing my channel in, and I just feel like this is the best thing for me to do right now, and I hope you guys all understand. That is where we're at. I know this is so higgledy-piggledy. You probably have never come across a YouTuber who is like so disorganized, but here you go. Yours truly is just incredibly disorganized, and I'm trying to make things a little bit more structured and more fun for you guys. So I'm not going to stop vlogging. It's just going to participate, or it's just going to continue over on my main channel, and everything's going to be over there from now on. And that means that I'm putting up way more content for you, more quality content, not quantity, you know, where I think, you know, I have to pump out all these vlogs. No, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have like fun content that I want to upload, and you could be getting, like I said, 5 videos or 7 videos in a week, or 3 videos. You know, we're going to see how this works out for this month and going forward with regards to that. So I hope that like helps you guys. And I'm always going to kind of go back to your feedback and keep reading your comments and mixing it up and changing it as you guys, you know, say we don't like this or we do like this. So that is where we're at, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day on this 1st of December. Hey guys, so I just had a shower. I'm in my jammies. We have just ordered some Indian, and I'm so excited for it, and we are going to watch the Late Late Toy Show, which I'm very excited about. What an epic way to start Vlogmas. So I am going to watch a little bit of it, probably not the whole thing because we'll watch a movie or something, but we'll watch it while we're having our Indian, and I am so excited. I cannot wait to get the Indian, so it should be here any moment now. How exciting!